Hello and welcome back to We Food Hard. This week we're going to be making a bacon and blue cheese burger pizza. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, is he really going to put us through another week of pizza burgers or burger pizzas? The answer sadly is yes. Once I've started down this rabbit hole of burgers and pizza, I just can't help myself because I love these flavor combinations on burgers and I love the versatility of pizza. So I am obsessed with putting them together to see if they work out. So I will walk you through the ingredients I have for this specific pizza here, and we'll get started making it. So instead of having any type of sauce, I have my pizza dough here. There's not going to be a base. All I'm going to do is take a little bit of olive oil and brush this crust with it. I have a little bit of mozzarella cheese. I have some ground beef that I browned and seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I have some bacon that I partially cooked. I know I've said this before, but if you just put raw bacon on your pizza, number one, it's not going to cook all the way, and number two, there's going to be a ton of grease on your pizza, and then we're not looking for that. And then I have some caramelized onions, and then to top this pizza off, I'm going to put some blue cheese, crumbled blue cheese on top of it. So without further ado, let's get this thing built. So now that our pizza's dressed, we're going to throw it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now, blue cheese is not going to get like super melted. It'll melt a little bit, but it's not going to get like a crispy brown. So we're going to watch for the crust to get a nice golden brown and some of the mozzarella to melt out. So we will see you when we are done cooking this pizza. All right, so our bacon and blue cheese pizza just came out of the oven. I can honestly tell you that I don't think I've ever been this excited about trying a pizza that I've made myself. This thing it looks stunning. So I will show you, try to get you as good of a look as I can. So, and I stand corrected, blue cheese does start to crisp up. So the blue cheese has a nice golden brown on top of it. The mozzarella you can see on the edges has melted out and started to brown. The crust is a nice golden brown. Everything looks awesome about this pizza. I do want to test the crust test just because there is a lot of ingredients on here. I just want to make sure it still is crunchy. So I will cut into that and see. Okay, crust is still crunchy. Oh, wow. I'm super excited about this pizza here. So I just wanted to say before I take my first bite, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. And make sure you work hard, food harder. Okay. If you've never had blue cheese on a pizza, you need to try this. I'm not playing around here. You need to try this. It has such great flavor. Getting the caramelized onions, the bacon, that blue cheese is just out of this world. Highly recommend this recipe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.